Has this ever happened to you? You are in a room full of people and you are the only one thinking about Allah, your creator. Baki koi nahi, and I am not saying this in a very superior way at all. It just feels alone. I want to talk about that today because um, I don't think anyone really says this out loud. There's a very specific kind of loneliness that comes when you are conscious of Allah और अराउंड यू. मतलब जब आपको हिदायत मिलती है, जब आप दीन की तरफ आते हो, नो वन एल्स रियली इज. यू आर लोअरिंग योर गेज जब बाकी कोई सोच भी नहीं रहा होता है, या एवरीबडी अराउंड इज लाइक फ्री मिक्सिंग को नॉर्मलाइज कर रहे होते हैं, नामहरम से दोस्तियाँ कर रहे होते हैं. And you pause before a joke क्योंकि you're thinking about being accountable for it and everyone else just laughing. Sometimes you leave conversation, certain parties, a group chat, नहीं क्योंकि आप better हो किसी से, but because something inside you is being pulled in a different direction. And no one prepares you for how isolating that can actually feel. Not lonely as in no one's around, lonely as in no one's there with you. Jahan it actually matters. We assume getting closer to Allah is supposed to feel warm all the time, peaceful feeling ho, comforting feeling ho, and sometimes it is. It is no doubt, but sometimes it's quite in a way that एक is मतलब तकलीफ होती है. Sometimes you're standing apart from your own people you love, your friends, your family, you know, क्योंकि your compass is pointing somewhere where they're not even looking. Sometimes it's praying alone in a house. Sometimes you are the only one praying in your campus or university, or you know what I mean. Sometimes it's being the one person who remembers Allah in a moment everyone else has forgotten in him. I want to add one more thing here क्योंकि it connects a lot to this. When you start coming closer to दीन, जब आप शुरू में आते हो दीन की तरफ, this feelings comes with it. मेरे पास बहुत DMs आते हैं आप लोगों के इसी टॉपिक पे कि अपी मेरी दोस्त ना ऐसे करती है, या शी इज़ इन्वॉल्व इन समथिंग, आई वांट टू गाइड हर. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई यूज्ड टू बी exactly like that. I used to be exactly like you guys here. I used to try to fix everyone ki, not because we think we are superior to anyone, and because we genuinely care, because we think Allah is going to ask us on the day of judgment कि ये तुम्हारी दोस्त थी, तुमने इसको गाइड क्यों नहीं किया, इसको सही रास्ता क्यों नहीं दिखाया, तुम खुद सही रास्ते पे थी लेकिन तुमने इसे गाइड नहीं किया. But here's what I have learned. Please don't keep try to change someone over and over. Give them hidayat, guide them once, सीधे दिल से एक बार, as sincerely as you can. ठीक है. After that it's not your job to keep pushing कि आप like I repeat, it's not your job to keep pushing. I made this mistake, मैंने गलती करी थी, like I was constantly trying to fix everyone around me and it just burned me out. And honestly it put distance in some of my relationships too. हाँ ये होता है, ये होगा, क्यों नहीं होगा, लोग आपसे दूर जाएंगे. Give the advice, embody the quality yourself, and inshallah whoever meant to see it will follow. Okay. And if they don't, that's okay too. It's not your job to constantly fix everyone. सबको सब पता होता है. Deep down people know what's right and what's wrong. And this loneliness, I keep coming back to it. It's not a sign that something's wrong with you. It's actually a sign that something inside you woke up before it woke up in everyone else around you. Even the prophets felt this year. Being conscious of Allah has never been the popular seat at the table. It was never the easy option. It was never supposed to be easy. And maybe the comfort is not that the loneliness go away. Maybe the comfort is realizing who you are actually not alone with, because the awareness that makes you feel far from a room full of people is exactly what means Allah is closer to you than anyone else in it. Okay? So if you ever felt the quiet ache, being the one who remembers Allah when no one else in the room does, I won't tell you that's a flaw in you. I'll tell you that beginning of something most people never even notice is missing. Okay? Before moving forward, I want to say this is something for everyone, brothers and sisters both, but I'm going to speak specifically to my sisters today because this one comes from something I actually lived through. When I started wearing niqab, there was one thought that wouldn't leave my head. How am I supposed to be independent while maintaining my parda? And I know for a lot of you, this is the real fear. कि हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते। ऑफ कोर्स जा सकते हो, तभी तो पर्दा कह रहे हो, लेकिन पर्दा नहीं छोड़ सकते, लेकिन इंडिपेंडेंट भी बनना है। सो टुडे आई वांट टू एक्चुअली टॉक अबाउट how I figured that out. Before all this, I was pursuing my bachelor's in mass media from Jamia Millia Islamia. That was the plan, degree, maybe a job in that field, the usual path, you know. But when I started wearing niqab, तो जो भी मैंने अपना फ्यूचर पिक्चर किया था अपने दिमाग में, सब कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगने लग गया. Most of what I have imagined doing required me to be out there in a certain way, you know. Media fields mein you are expected to be dress certain way, speak certain way, behave certain way, in spaces that didn't really work with my parda anymore. But that's when a content creation actually became the answer, not the backup plan, the actual answer. I realized I could build something, earn from it, be independent, and never once have to compromise my parda to do it. No stepping into space I was not comfortable in, no removing my niqab for camera, no negotiating my deen for income. Around the same time, I started working with a platform called Digital Madrasa, and I want to be honest with you about this because I know how it feels when creators promote things they don't actually use. I have been with them since early on, genuinely, not one uh, time paid mention. It's a platform where you can learn actual skills online, skills like, you know, YouTube thumbnail design, email marketing, content creation, um, website building, and things like video editing too, and a bunch of other skills based courses from home at your own space. A lot of you have been messaging me wanting to learn video editing specifically, and that's actually what pulled me toward doing this more seriously, because I saw how many sisters wanted a skill they could build income from without having to step outside from their comfort zone, from their parda to learn it. And these are not just my words, these are actual experience reviews from sisters who have taken these courses. Everything is organized in a way that's genuinely beginner friendly, easy to follow even if you're starting from zero. And by the end, you are not just learning the skill, you're building your actual portfolio alongside it, something you can show for it. And if you want personal guidance on this or want 20% off, DM me on this WhatsApp number. Inshallah, I'll guide you through it myself. So if you are sitting with that same fear I had, पर्दा नहीं छोड़ना, बाहर नहीं जाना, but still wanting to stand on your own feet, I promise you it's possible. It's just look different than the usual path. For me, it was the content creation. For me, it was content creation and skills like editing. For you, it might be something else entirely. Okay, but the point is, your deen was never meant to be the thing standing between you and your independence. एंड एट द एंड मैं आपसे यही कहूँगी कि अगर आपको लेफ़्ट आउट फ़ील होता है सर्टेन स्पेसेस में, जैसे अभी हमने बात की कि यू नो रिलेटेड टू इनकम, बीइंग इंडिपेंडेंट एंड बीइंग इन स्पेसेस, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यू आर लेफ़्ट आउट या आप फिट इन नहीं हो पा रहे हो, दैट्स टोटली ओके. एंड आई नो इट फील्स लोनली राइट नाउ, सच में, बट यू आर नॉट एक्चुअली अलोन इन इट. You just feel alone, you know. Allah sees exactly what that gaze lowering cost you, exactly what that silence cost you, exactly what walking away cost you. जो sacrifices कोई नहीं देख रहा, वो देख रहा है, उसी के लिए sacrifices करने हैं for the sake of Allah only. And on the day when everything else will feel far, this very thing, you know, यही consciousness is going to be the one thing that stays close to you. So अगर आज कोई ना समझे, it's okay यार, कोई बात नहीं. You are being seen by the one who actually matters. Okay? So take a deep breath. You don't have to carry this loneliness like it's a burden. Carry it like it's quite kind of nearness. Something that most people don't even get to feel in this whole lifetime. And the next time this feeling comes back, bas yaad rakhna, the one you are missing everyone else company for, he was never missing yours. He's right there. Okay? Okay, that's it for today's video. This is Hania Sheikh signing off. मिलते हैं next video में. Until then, Allah Hafiz.